Hello friends, our today's activity is enlarge the picture. As you can see here on the paper, there are three images. The first image is a small grid with a picture of an elephant which is printed inside the grid. The second image, the grid is slightly bigger than the first grid and picture of an elephant which is not completed, which is incomplete picture of an elephant is printed. Third grid, which is even bigger than the second grid, is completely empty. So we are going to observe the lines drawn in each square of the small grid. See, in this grid, this line and this line, maybe this grid only this much line. So we are going to draw these lines in the corresponding square of the bigger grid. So for example, if this square we are going to see 1, 2, 3, 4. So this square 4, it is completed. It is touching here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the corresponding square. Then next is the fifth square. In the fifth square, only in the line here is very small. So this is the fifth square of the next grid. We are going to draw this line like this. So we will just see the squares and we will draw that particular line in that particular form which is corresponding in the next bigger grid. We are going to follow the same technique and draw the entire picture of an elephant in this empty grid which is more bigger than the second grid. So this way we are going to enlarge this small picture into big and more bigger. So this is a very easy and proportionate way to enlarge any picture. So see here, this line is in this particular square. This line is coming till here. So I'll approximately put a small dot over here and draw. Then in this square there is one more line which is going here. Then I'll take the next square here. So this line is coming like this. Now after this square I am taking this square. Now in this square the remaining face, half of the tooth and one small piece of an ear is drawn. So we are going to replicate those lines. So you see over here, this small elephant we have enlarged in the bigger grid which is very much similar. We are going to use the same technique and enlarge this elephant into a bigger picture using a bigger grid. After you finish drawing, you can color the picture using colors of your choice.